The 1998 Porsche MC600 by Mcchip-dkr. While everyone is enjoying the latest generation Porsche 991 GT2, the guys over Mcchip-dkr have developed a sweet tuning kit based on the 993 generation. The package wants to prove that even older models can get a little performance love too, including modern software tuning. Mcchip-dkr began things by swapping out the car's engine with a new 3.6-liter bi-turbo unit with a new engine block and rebuilt K26 turbochargers. A limited slip differential from DREXLER company was added in to help deliver the power to the rear wheel efficiently. The tuner also installed a new exhaust system with sport catalysts. As a result, the 993 GT2 delivers a total of 604 horsepower and of 624 pound-feet of torque. The GT2 has also been equipped with a new set of wheels measuring 10 by 18 inches on the front and 13 by 18 inches on the rear. The wheels are combined with a new KW Racing Suspension Competition Variant 3 to help keep this aging 911 glued to the tarmac. For the interior, Mcchip-dkr installed a safety cage and new bucket seats by Recaro. The car doors and interior panels are fabricated from carbon fiber, and the display system is equipped with a data recording and video system. This car does not come cheap, however, and if you were impressed by it you will have to pay a total of €200,000, about $265,500 at the current exchange rates.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.